Thanks to its unique climate, Shoiwaka village in Bomi County in China's Tibet is suitable for planting tea. In 2019, under the guidance of the local government, the village has been promoting the tea industry, which has brought significantly higher incomes. Since 2019, more than 40 million yuan has been invested into tea farming in the village, including 30 million yuan invested by tea-making enterprises. Thanks to the tea and related industries, each household in the village has seen their revenues increase by 280,000 yuan on the average since 2019. In 2022, the per capita net income of the village reached 39,000 yuan.